Well, this is a little wrap up on the excavation and the wall. I'm standing at the front door, which before had a step that was sinking down because of the fill underneath was eroding underneath. And of course, I've made a lot of videos about what we did. But all the pavers are now back in. Built a front step. There's a little bit of tidying up to do, like right there. But we ripped out the garden bed that used to come all the way down here. We put a step in and then wrapped the pavers around, so it's a lot easier to get into the front of our house. So much nicer. The pavers are a little uneven looking in look now because we put some new ones in, some old ones. But there's the residual that's left over from the wood that I bought. Not much at all. A couple pavers left over. They'll probably get used somewhere. There's the new wall, fully built. A nice. I like how they stepped it down, and behind the wall, in each of those levels, is a garden bed, so I can plant something. I like that bamboo right there, so I might put another layer through there just to create a natural wall between us and our neighbors. So they've got the new wall in, and it looks great. And this is all a garden bed back there. You can see there. So what I'll do is I'll plant some perennials in there, bushes and things like that, and I'll backlight it so it should look quite nice. I'll film that from up there, but there's a new seeded lawn, so that'll even though it's January, it grows in Vancouver, so it's nice and flat now. It was very uneven, and there was a lot of garbage up there, basically weeds and stuff. And then to make some extra pavers, what we did is cut a straight line in the pavers, and we're putting cement in all the way along here, along through the whole edge. It'll look good. And then just walking up the driveway, there's still a little bit of sand and whatnot left over, but this is much nicer now. So what we're going to do is, this is going to be a garden bed, and I'll put flagstones around there so I can get out and cut the bush in the summer. That's the grass. There's Carl. Hey Carl. You can see where the lawn used to go. It used to go right like this. So we cut it back here to make a more wide angle turn into the driveway. Much better now. Moved the light back. The light used to be here, so we just moved it back and put that wood in. I've replanted some of those bushes. And there's the top of the lawn. There's still some topsoil left over that we covered up in a tarp. I'll do something with that. And yeah, there's the front of the house. So it looks really nice. It's nice and neat. Once the grass grows and the bushes are in, it's just going to be fantastic looking. So that's the end of our little 2013 project. On to something else in 2014. All right. Thanks for putting up with all my videos and things. I do this just to, for my own purposes more than anything else. But I think there's some people that are probably interested in this. All right.